Well, good afternoon, YouTube. I'm in my room, obviously. This is e-bike related. I just got my new battery. It was supposed to be here by November 3rd, then November 2nd, and it got here today. I'm assuming it's because it was shipped inside of California, from California. I think it came from Fontana. So, we're going to open it up. I'm doing this in my room. Hopefully I'm getting some of this. I'm trying to see on the camera what I'm looking at. Oh, sorry. My stomach's getting in the way. Ew. Okay, very carefully I want to open this. So now I gotta make sure I hopefully got the right battery. I mean, I know what I need, but I'm hoping they sent me the right battery. I'm trying to say. Yes, I know I'm cutting towards myself, but actually I'm cutting towards the gap because my legs are obviously open. That sounded wrong. Okay, I'm assuming this is the charger. Let's see what kind of lithium ion battery charger. 54.6 volt. The 2 amp charger. Okay, let's see. So RCA style. Oh wait, you guys can't see nothing now because I'm freaking got the camera all tilted. Oops. Okay, I got my charger. This is my charger. That's a box from the charger. I'm half asleep right now, so that's why I'm a little loopy sounding. Oh, good. It is USA spec plug. It's a 2 amp charger. Nothing's rattling loose. It's got an RCA style connector for the battery. Charging. I got my keys and a looks like a XT60 connector. I hope that's an XT60 connector. If it's not, I'm gonna have an issue. That's for the controller, which I don't think I'll need to do because I think I already have one hooked up to it. If not, I'll simply splice that onto the controller. It's not a big deal. Damn. This is the battery. Oh my god, it's about a 12-pound battery. This is what I got, a Hylong 48 volt 20 amp hour battery. Has a little power indicator button on here. It's not charged, or it's not. I need to turn it on first. Trying to find the specs on it. Let's see. Battery model: 48 volt 20 amp hour nominal voltage 48 volts, nominal capacity 20 amp hours, charge cutoff voltage 54.6 volts, instantaneous maximum discharge current 80 amps, continuous discharge current 40 amps. So that's well within mine. Mine I think is like 30 amps on my motor. So charge current 5 amps, charge time under charge current 4 hours, charge temperature range standard BMS 40 amp hour. It is fully charged. I'm still going to plug it in, obviously. I'm not going to plug it in here though. I'm going to plug it in outside. It's like 90 degrees outside right now, and I'm not going to be installing it right now because it's too hot. So for now I'm just going to put it back in the box. But yeah, that's a beefy boy right there. I don't know. I'm assuming I'm going to be hooking it up to my seat post somehow. Oh, it's got a USB. That's a standard USB. That'll work with my phone though. It's got a standard USB charge port. My phone's came with a standard USB to USB-C connector, so that'll work. And it's got the RCA connector right here. This was $116 plus $10 tax, so $126 out the door. I think it was on a promotional deal because I checked the seller site on AliExpress, and it's up to $136 now. And I didn't pay for it all up front. I'm making payments through PayPal for 2-week payments of $31.37. So, yeah. Hailong's a good brand. I've had, well, one of my batteries of theirs I had for about over 3 years before it died, so it'll at least last about 3 years. This feels like the case on this is really solid. This plastic feels very thick and durable. There's nothing rattling. Sometimes when you get a battery, you can shake it. The battery will kind of move around in the case. This is like not moving at all. So, okay, well, that was that little e-bike battery review of the new battery. It's kind of, hopefully it shows up okay. I probably should have turned my light on, but I didn't. So what I'm planning on doing is taking the mount. Let me get the mount out real quick. I wanted to kind of see, sometimes you can put zip ties on these things, but this isn't the zip tie kind. So what I'm going to probably end up doing is either I'm going to take that triangle battery off the back, and I'm going to either affix this to the seat post somehow with some more double-sided tape if I can, because the seat post is kind of round and it might not work. Or I'm going to just take all of the tools, because this will fit in my this should fit in my bag on the back of my bike. I'll take all the tools out and stuff, just stick them in my backpack, and then just put this. I'll flip the bag around to where there's a hole inside of the bag where it's facing the seat post, and then I'll put this all inside of the bag and run the power cable out to my controller, because I leave my controllers externally mounted for air cooling. So this feels kind of loose. This plug is like a little loosey-goosey. Anyways, okay, I'm done now. So don't forget to, what the hell, I forgot my outro. My brain just froze. Let's see, what am I trying to say here? Don't forget, it'd be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thank you for hanging in there. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. Random viewers, consider subscribing. I've got over 3,500 videos on my YouTube channel for you to check out. Lots and lots of shorts, but also lots and lots of long videos. Also installation videos, like the one I'll be making hopefully tomorrow if the weather's nicer and not as warm. I'll be putting the new battery on and replacing some spokes probably. Also, don't forget to check out my links in the description. I've got e-bike brand links down there. I've got DepthStec diagnostic tools. They're like little, the scoped cameras you use when you want to like look in the inside of your engine to see where the problem is. Those kind of tools, and also Insta360 action cameras and accessories. I have a discount for code for those. Also, if you're looking into making some money on the side, like maybe doing reward sites, I have my referral link for Swag Bucks. It's now the top link on my description. You can check that out. Money's going to be tight for a lot of people right now, especially people with limited money for food and stuff. Check that out. You can make a couple $100 a month, put towards your food budget. It'll come in handy. Okay. And if you use my referral link, of course, it'll help me. But then when you sign up, you'll get your own referral link, and you can get other people to sign up with your referral link, and so on and so forth. No, it's not a pyramid scheme. It's legitimate. They've been around since like 2008 or some shit. I don't know. Anyways, all right. With that, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are, and I will see you in the next e-bike video, hopefully tomorrow. Okay, bye. And there was a piece of hair on this thing the whole time. Oh, no, it's on my shirt. Okay, never mind. All right, bye.